Good afternoon, everyone. Now let us talk about or tackle about the characters and summary of the novel 100 Years of Solitude by Gabriel Garcia Marquez. So, since there are a lot of characters from the novel, let us talk about the most important characters of the novel since they follow sub multi-generational saga of the Buendia family in a fictional town of Macondo. So here are the characters of the Buendia family. Let us start from the first generation. The first one is Jose Arcadio Buendia. He is a patriarch and founder of Macondo. He is obsessed with scientific discoveries and alchemy. The next one is Ursula Iguaran, his wife and cousin, a strong willed matriarch who lives for over a century. Next one is Jose Arcadio, their eldest son. Adventurous and rebellious, eventually becomes a larger than life figure. Aureliano Buendia, the second son, a contemplative man who becomes a legendary colonel in multiple civil wars. Next one is Amaranta, their only daughter, who struggles with love and dies a virgin. The next one is Rebecca, an orphan taken in by the Buendias, marries Jose Arcadio. So here are the other key characters that are important from the novel. First one is Melquiades, a gypsy who brings knowledge and prophecy to the Macondo. Pilar Ternera, a fortune teller and lover of multiple Buendia men, mother to illegitimate children. Remedios Moscote, the child bride of Aureliano Buendia, dies young. So, since I already introduced to you the important characters of the novel, let us now discuss or tackle about the Buendia family tree for further information. So, as you can see, we have here the Buendia family tree. So, let's start with Jose Arcadio Buendia and Ursula Iguaran. So the story begins with Jose Arcadio Buendia and Ursula Iguaran, who despite being cousin, fall in love and get married. They have two sons naming Aureliano and Jose Arcadio, and one daughter whose name is Amaranta. Soon, they adopt their far-off relative's daughter, Rebecca. Jose Arcadio, their firstborn, marries Rebecca, but they do not have children. Then, Jose Arcadio has an affair with a local woman named Pilar, and she gives birth to their son, Arcadio. Pilar also has an affair with the second brother, Aureliano, and gives birth to another son, naming him Aureliano Jose. Colonel Aureliano later has 17 other children, all of whom die due to their father's unfortunate announcement. At this point, the remaining Buendias are Arcadio and Aureliano Jose, though the latter has no children. Aureliano has three children, naming Remedios, the beauty, and the twins Aureliano and Jose Arcadio II. Of these three, only Aureliano II continues the family tree. He has three children, naming Remedios, Renata Remedios or Meme, Amantra Ursula, and Jose Arcadio. Meme has a secret affair with Mauricio and gives birth to a child named Aureliano. Aureliano and Amaranta, Ursula, are the two last representative of the family. In the end, they fall in love and have a son with a pig's tail. So that's it for the Buendia family tree.